Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum dear students. My name is Sumbul Kamar and I welcome you all in middle section grade 5 computer class. Dear students, today we are going to learn from our computer textbook, that is eSkills Learner Level 5, and today we are going to start the new task from the new module, that is analyzing data, and today we are going to learn from the new task, that is functions, which is on page number 57 to 61. So dear students, open up your textbook from page number 57 to 61. My dear students, the function is all about the Microsoft Excel, as Microsoft Excel has hundreds of formulas and functions. Some of them are for numbers and some for text and dates. So dear students, by the end of this tutorial, you will be able to know about the functions which is used in MS Excels, that is count, today, now, concat and len. On page number 57. Now here we have the first function, that is count. The count function returns the number of the cells that contain numbers. You will usually combine the count function with the other functions. It means the count function will going to count the numbers present in the cells. Now how can we use this count function in MS Excel? Step number 1. Click the cell where you want to display the result. Step number 2. On the Home tab in the Editing group, click the small arrow next to AutoSum. Step number 3. Click Count Numbers. Select the cells you want to count, like A1 to E9. Now press Enter. After pressing the Enter, the result will be displayed that how many numbers are present in the cells from A1 to E9. Now students, here we have second and third function, today and now. Today function returns the computer state. It means it will automatically update the system's date. Now function is identical with today. It returns the time as well as the date of the system. Every time you open your file, the cell with date and time will be automatically updated. Now how can we use this function in Microsoft Excel? Step number 1. Click the cell where you want to display the result. Step number 2. On the Home tab in the Editing group, click the small arrow next to AutoSum. Step number 3. Click More Functions. The Insert window will appear. Select the category, either today or now. Step number 4. Click OK. Step number 5. The function argument window will appear. Click OK. Now students, here we have the fourth function, that is concat. Concat function is also known as concatenate. The concat function used to combine two or more text cells. If you have a column with names and a column with the last names, you can combine them into full name. Now how can we use concat function in Microsoft Excel? Step number 1. Click the cell where you want to display the result. Step number 2. On the Home tab in the Editing group, click the small arrow next to AutoSum. Step number 3. Click More Functions. The Insert window will appear. The category, the concat click OK. It means you have to select the category of the Concat. Step number 4. The function argument window will appear. Click OK. Step number 5. In the text 1 box, type cell name like A4. In the text box 2, just type the inverted commas having some space in it, which will add a space between the name. And the last name in text box 3, type the cell name anyone like the B4. And after typing the cell name, just click OK. Step number 6. The two text cells have been combined. Now students, here is the last one, that is the fifth one, len. The len function returns the number of characters in a text cell. Let's say someone asks you how many letters your name has. An easy way to find is to use len function. Now how can we use this len function in Microsoft Excel? Add a new column where you want to display the result. On the Home tab, in the Editing group, click the small arrow next to AutoSum. Step number 3. Click More Functions. The Insert window will appear. Select the category, that is len. Step number 4. In the function arguments window in the text box, type any cell name like C4. Click OK. Step number 5. The number of characters will appear. Use the autofill tool to complete the rest of the options. So students, we had learned about 5 functions, that is count, today, now, concat or concatenate, and len. So students, here is the quiz for you. Question number 1. Define the following: count, concat, and len. You have to just note down the definitions on any A4 paper. And the most important, perform the practical on MS Excel of the following functions: count, today, now, concat, len. You may take help from your textbook from page number 57 to 61. Thank you students. Be safe. Have a blessed Ramadan. Allah Hafiz.